Hi guys, in this video we're gonna make this Pokemon Diorama Cube. I'm gonna show you the entire process that I take to make this cube. If you want to build this cube at home, you can find a link in the description below this video where you will be able to download the PDF template of this Pokemon Cube. It's super easy, super fun, so don't hesitate to check it out. So let's make art. So first was the idea. As you can tell by the thumbnail of this video, you've probably seen the front face of the cube, and it will be this Nintendo Game Boy console that I will put in front of the cube. We're gonna see through this window the actual Pokemon scene. So first I searched on Google, and what I wanted is a digital image. So this one was pretty good, so I uploaded in Photoshop, and then what I did, based off my current Diorama Cube blank template, this image will not go inside, so I needed to adjust the image to fit inside this template. So I simply did some copy of the image, so I just replaced everything to fit in the template. As you can see, that will go in front of the cube. Then the next part was to take my previous Pokemon design that you can see here that I made 2 years ago, and I just added a little yellow greenish tint to the image. First it was black and white, and I wanted to recreate this greenish effect that you have on the old screen of the Nintendo Game Boy. That's pretty much how I made this template. Now we will go to the printing phase. Before printing, we're gonna open up our Silhouette app, gonna import our design. Come on, it's usually so slow. Go Sean, it's your birthday. We're gonna start it like it's your birthday. Then we're gonna resize to fit our paper like that. Then I'm just gonna erase some little detail just to make sure that everything is cut properly. I'm very perfectionist, so I'd like to get rid of every tiny detail that will not be visible, but for my state of mind it will actually be better. But of course you will not see the difference, I guess. It's just for me. When I first started my YouTube channel, I cut everything by hand, but now I just bought a Silhouette machine that helped me to cut the tiny pieces. But you can totally cut it by yourself, don't worry. For those of you that don't know, I have a Patreon where you can basically download all my previous Diorama Cube templates, and then you can simply download them in PDF, PNG, JPEG file as you want. So don't hesitate to check out my Patreon if you can get the link below this video. So I've just sent the template to print, and now the template is printing. And I don't know if you can see it, I usually print in a glossy paper to give it a more professional look. And the thickness of the paper is a little thicker than regular paper, so it's easier for the machine to cut afterward and to assemble the pieces together. So that's the final print, and now we're gonna go to the cutting phase. Let's go. So we are in my other room, and we will go through the cutting phase. So I just put the paper print on this matrix. That's the matrix of the cutting machine. Here I am on the ground, and now we're gonna put it on the cutting machine. So I'm using a Silhouette Cameo 4, and here we go. That's it guys, so we're gonna see if everything went well. Everything so far looks really good. And now let's get to assembling the cube.